Look here.
Okay, say hi to everybody.
Okay, hi everybody.
Alright. Okay, can you sit on Mommy's lap?
Nope.
Well, I want you to read it to me, Goof.
Okay.
Okay.
Hi everybody.
Okay.
Let's have a new... I hold it.
Okay.
Let's have a new tent. Come on, said Mom. Come out, said Mom. Let's play all day. Like this says, that plays all day.
That one says Gus gets toys. And then this says
Gus plays all day.
good job.
Do make it dark and cold. Gus will be here. So our baby said Dad. Will we baby said Mom? It is dark outside.
Good job, Paige.
It's dark inside. Come out, Dad. Called Mom. Dad. Ooh, ooh. What does it? Ooh, ooh.
Alright.
No.
And what is that
No.
sound?
God could say. Hi, Mom. Good night, Mom. Here comes the sun. Where did Gus go?
Where did Gus go? Say, that was Paige reading. What's this book?
I know.
Gus gets.
Say.
And can you tell everybody how old you are?
I know.
Show the camera how old are you with your fingers.
I know.
Show the camera with your fingers. That many. How many is that?
4.
1,
1, 2.
2. Alright. Good job, Paige.